Hey guys, and in this video I am going to talk about GTA 4 for Android and iOS releasing updates. Guys, before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. It will not take you much time, but it will a lot mean for me. And also tap on the bell icon so you will never miss any update. Now without doing any further delay, let's get started. So guys, as told you in previous video that GTA 4 will come in Android and iOS devices in 2018. And it will be may come in the last week of April or in the first week of May. But it is not confirmed. Many other videos for GTA 4 for Android are made by many popular YouTubers like Techno Rohit. He also said that GTA 4 will release in mobile phones in May 2018. Now let's talk about the required smartphone specification to play GTA 4 in your device. So your device must be of 4GB RAM and minimum 64GB of storage. But the size of the game will not be very large. The game will be hardly around about 7 to 8GB, but the RAM has to be 4GB because I think you will find a bit lagging in 3GB RAM. So guys, the main question is that this game will be paid or free. So of course guys, as all previous Rockstar games are paid, so it will be definitely a paid game. And its price will be round about $7 to $8. And guys, when the game will launches, I will buy the game and put the data and APK of this game through Mega in midnight description. So you will easily download this game free of cost. So don't worry about the buying of game. So guys, that's all for the video and I will see you in the next one.
Make it rain on 'em.